Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WDW Bound here, and we are going to talk today about the Aventura Hotel at Universal Studios Orlando. We got to stay here back in October for our honeymoon, and we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. As you can see, the room is a pretty good size for two people. We opted for just a regular queen size room. This room came with a love seat, couch, desk area. Obviously the bed is a queen size, and then I'd say probably about a standard size bathroom with a stand-up shower. The shower itself is partitioned off from the rest of the bathroom by a sliding door, which allows for one person to shower while the other gets ready for the day. This bathroom also has an environmentally friendly toilet, which has two push buttons on the top, one for number 1 and one for number 2, to help reduce water consumption. For our stay, we requested a higher level room so we would hopefully have a good view. Here you can see the Orlando skyline as well as the volcano in Volcano Bay. Now each of these rooms are going to be a little bit higher tech. They can be controlled with an iPad located on the nightstand next to the bed, which can control everything from the temperature of the room, the TV, the lights, and you can even order room service straight from that iPad. On the main level of the hotel, there is an awesome food court called the Urban Pantry that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There is also a Starbucks located here in case you need to get your coffee fix. There are multiple bar options here, one in the lobby area and a rooftop bar located on the 17th floor. There is a dedicated elevator that takes you straight up to the rooftop bar, which we thought was pretty cool. The views from the rooftop bar, as you would expect, are absolutely stunning. You don't have to order anything to enjoy these views, as there's plenty of upper deck area to walk around and see the sights, so definitely give this one a visit. One of the perks of this hotel is its proximity to its neighbor resort, Sapphire Falls. This resort has a dedicated boat that will take you to and from the parks, and even has its own security line so you can skip all that hustle and bustle from the main entrance and get right to having fun. Overall, we would happily stay here again, and I'll be completely honest with you, my husband has requested it more than once since then. We feel like this resort just has a really cool feel to it, and the proximity to the boats at Sapphire Falls makes this hotel a great choice. If you plan on visiting Universal for at least a few days, we highly recommend a stay at Aventura Hotel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.